Hey everyone, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I conditioned my locks for the first time and the whole entire experience behind that. So I want to bring you guys along with me as I go ahead and condition my locks for the first time. I'm going to show you step by step everything that I did in order to do so and what the results were moving forward. But I just wanted to take the time to thank you guys for watching yet another video and to welcome you all who are watching me for the first time. I'm Desiree Marie and I talk about locks. I share everything concerning my 3-year lock journey here. Everything that I do when I wash my locks, maintain my locks, and even style my hair into different cool hairstyles for locks. I like to show everything, and I like to connect with you all that are also on your lock journeys as well. I upload almost every day, so you're guaranteed something fun and fresh almost every day. So go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. So some of you might be watching me right now, looking at me with the side eye like,
Desiree, why are you conditioning your locks? Don't you know that conditioning your locks leads to buildup? You're not supposed to condition your locks and so forth.
I know so many of us have different opinions when it comes to conditioning our locks. And I understand your suspicions when it comes to conditioning locks because myself, I was always afraid to condition my locks. I mean, just hearing the stories about other people conditioning their locks and how it just didn't work out well for them and they ended up with conditioner in their locks, which led to buildup and mildew and so forth. So many issues that came out of them just conditioning their locks. I've seen some like really close-up pictures of locks that have been conditioned and they tend to look really gross and kind of, you know, on the creepy side. So that also paired up with my own inhibitions to dealing with conditioner in my locks. I've dealt with buildup a good portion of my lock journey from the time that I began, and I noticed that my using certain products in my hair and my lack of maintaining my hair with the proper routine as far as washing my locks out properly and long enough, rinsing my locks long enough, and making sure that all the product is out. All of those things led to my struggle with buildup issues. And so for a while I said to myself, I don't think I would ever condition my locks because I'm too afraid to take that step and potentially cause buildup and end an even worse situation than what I started with. But today I want to try it out, okay? All right, so I'm all done washing my hair. I used the OGX Moisturizing Conditioning Shampoo, and this one has tea tree oil. You guys know I've been using the Dr. Locs shampoo. I love that shampoo as well. I just kind of wanted to change things up by using a different shampoo. And so my hair is all moisturized. Well, it feels moisturized. It's all clean and shampooed. My locks are clean, shampooed, and ready for our next steps. So this is the conditioner that came with the hair dye, and this is the Dark and Lovely Moisture Rich conditioner made with shea, avocado, and olive oil. It did work for me well when I first used it after I colored my locks. My locks were really juicy and nice. I know it was the color that actually like made it look more moisturized, but it also felt moisturized. It actually felt more moisturized than my hair has ever felt before. So I'm going to use this, but what I'm going to do is dilute it into this spray bottle so that we don't have an ongoing occurrence of buildup. All right, we only just got over this buildup issue. I'm not trying to rediscover it in my locks and tackle with that all over again. All right, so now I have a bottle of diluted conditioning spray. All right, so let me see, how do I do this? I guess what I'll do is just start from the back like I always do with everything else. Okay, all done, ready. Whew, I've had this on my head for a little bit now, maybe a few minutes. And so here is what my locks are looking like. They certainly do smell good, and they feel cool. They feel moisturized. They don't feel heavy, they feel light, and they feel elastic. Like you can feel elasticity. It's not stiff and dry like some especially clarifying shampoos tend to like strip all of your hair of its, you know, natural oils and stuff and just leaves you high and dry. I feel great. I feel really good, and my scalp feels great. Like I can literally just like toss it up and it feels light. Now my prayer is that I will not have to deal with any type of buildup as a result of this particular shampoo session. I was very, very careful to dilute my shampoo with water, tons of it too, in order to be able to use conditioner in my locks. I have never done this before, and I just want to do it the right way so that my hair is benefited by this shampoo rather than messed up all over again. So it feels good. It feels very, very nice and moisturized. My hair looks like this. Yeah, it feels very good. Nice and moisturized and elastic throughout the length of my hair. My roots feel soft. My hair just feels very soft. The edges feel soft as well. So what I'm gonna do is just allow this to air dry. I'm going to mix up my leave-in conditioning spray that I always make with the peppermint tea mixed with essential oils. And what I'll do is come back in a few days to show you guys whether or not I got buildup from the conditioner and you know, basically showing you what's what concerning that. So let's just pray that we don't have any buildup and that we actually had a successful shampoo session with conditioner. Okay. Hey guys, good morning. It is the next day, and I just wanted to come and show you guys my locks just so that you can see what it looks like now the day after conditioning my locks. And as you can see, I have no buildup, sis. None. No buildup, and I'm happy about it, and my locks feel so good. But I'm so happy that I tried this out, because now I have an idea of how it works for me, and that I don't have to settle for the popular opinion that conditioner doesn't work for locks. It works for my locks. I just have to dilute it like many of you all advised me. So no buildup, none at all, none. No buildup. So that is pretty much my entire experience conditioning my locks for the very first time. I'm so glad that I did it, because now I know something different that I didn't know before. But before we end this video, I wanted to go ahead and give you guys an opportunity to sign up for the Natty Curl Club, the subscription box for women with locks that includes natural hair care items with toxic-free ingredients. And we also include lifestyle, self-care items and some jewelry pieces in here featuring Black-owned businesses and women entrepreneurs. So when you get this box, you don't have to scramble all over the place looking for a local store that carries quality lock products, because you know you probably won't find much of that in these stores anyway. We deliver these power pack boxes straight to your door every quarter of the year. You get 4 boxes throughout the year filled with goodies, sweet treats, and it always changes up. Right now we're working with many brands that you know and some that you don't know, Black-owned businesses that create quality products for our hair, and just for our entire being, you know? So these boxes are meant for you to treat yourself as the queen that you are. So if you're interested in learning more about our subscription box for women with locks, go ahead and click the link down below so that you can check out our official website, which will tell you much more about the details concerning this box. Right now we are doing the winter box for the Nazi Curl Club. So if you're interested in getting your box, it's not too late. Go ahead and sign up with the link down below. Thank you for watching this video. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Later, guys. Bye.